shell and flipper so wide. Turtles teach us to take life in stride. Let's write the letter T, join the fun. Let's learn the alphabet with everyone. Capital T with a line so tall. Lowercase with a cross that's small. T is for turtle, slow, slow, slow. Learning letters with a steady flow. The turtle glides through the deep blue sea with grace and patience, as calm as can be. They bask on the shore and dive once more. Turtles show us what patience is for. The letter T is in your ABCs. Let's sing it together. 1, 2, 3. Capital T with the line so tall. Lowercase with a cross that's small. T is for turtle, slow, slow, slow. Learning letters with a steady flow. Turtles live where the oceans are wide. Let's write the letter T with every stride. Write it down, it's easy to see. The letter T is next in our ABCs. Capital T with the line so tall. Lowercase with a cross that's small. T is for turtle, slow, slow, slow. Learning letters with a steady flow.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.